Hello students. Now today I will show you the animations and also I will show you the different types of views. How to see that. Okay. Now I have taken one slide. Okay. Now I am changing the background color. Now you can see that background. Here I have written that apply to all means if I click the apply to all the slides it will come. Okay, now you can see here another design I make, new design. Now here I'm writing one things, that is first one I have written that school name, second I'm writing Rampurat Birbhum. You can see I have left side it is following the two slides. Okay, whatever I'm changing color, that one you don't see, you look, that's the left side, you see that I have taken the two slides. Okay, that one number, first one St. Paul School, second one that whatever I'm editing Rampurat Birbhum. Okay. These things are the template. The two slides you can see, the first one this and second one. Now the slide you can see this one, whatever I have made, you can see that slides options. One slide school name, second slide the Rampurat Birbhum. Okay, if you go to the outline tab, then you can see the only text, only this side, follow this one. Okay, see the school names and the second one, the address Rampurat Birbhum. So here you cannot see that color you cannot see, background color whatever I have given, background pictures you cannot see. Why? Because I have clicked the outline tab. Okay, I came the slide options. Now here you can see the view option, the first one normal view, second one reading, third one notepad. Okay, and last one the this one the notepad, and this is the slide, so full screen it will display. Otherwise the shortcut key is F5. remember, you know that class 4 you have done. Okay, therefore whatever this you can see. Now I will click the slide sorter view, the second one you just see. This is the slide sorter, second one. Now this, with this what can we do? This one, how many slides we make we can see of here. Okay, slide sorter view, we can see whatever the slides I make, that is we have made first one and second one. Okay, first one, that is you have seen the slide options. Here slide sorter view, only the slides we can see, we cannot do anything. Okay, only the slide sorter, whatever we have done we can do it. Clear? Now I'm going to the normal view. Okay, this is the another one, that is notepad page views. Okay, the second one I have done these things, so we can do of this. Okay, these are the slideshow from past slideshow I have made the slideshow, you can see second slideshow. Okay, if you press the F5, then also you can see, and just hold it, this icon, you nicely you can see this icon. It is the slideshow icon, we have to remember of that. Okay, because during the exam time it may become. Okay, understood? Now the second slide I am showing to you. Now come to the once again the normal things I am showing to once again the every views. Just look at here. Okay, slide shot view and normal view I am showing once again, just to see properly. Okay, understood? Now next I will show you how to give the animations and everything I will show you. Okay, just you fold it and see properly. Now you can see only another option, view option. You, if you click the normal view, you can see, then slide sorter view, then note page view. Okay, this notepad, you can see not only that icon. Some computer if you don't have, then where you will go? So there you view option you can go, and you can see there are views, are presentation views, normal view, side view, note page view, the slideshow view, slide reader, everything you can see from these options, view options. Remember the tab is view tab. Okay. Now I will show you the animation. Second part is animation. Okay, it's very interesting part of this animation. See how I will go. Just look at follow this one, these options. Animation tab with this and add animation. Here we will go. This is the main things. You have to click on the add animation. First of all, you will select the items. Then you will go to the add animation. Now the options will come. So custom animations. These are the custom animation. There are 4 effects: more entrance, emphasis, exit, and motion path. That 4 options. Okay, entrance means whatever will be entry of these animations. Okay, emphasis means whatever is there that will be highlight, and exit means it will go from out. Okay, so now I see I have clicked on the entrance one. Now see, so many options are there. Animations name, they have to remember of the name of the animations. What is this? This is entry, means entrance. Okay, see, I have to select first, that's entrance purpose. Okay, and means how it will be appear. Entrance means how it will appear. Then okay, you have to select, then click on OK. Clear? Second things I will have to do, how to do, same way, select. Okay, then we will go to the add animations, we will go to the entrance, then we have to select the animation one. Which one I will give? This one, a better thing. Yes, this one. Okay. Okay, now I will run of this. How to run of the, press the slide show, otherwise F5. I have click on this one. Now see, it's not there. Okay, press F5, it will come. If you press the F5, it will come. Okay, this I have selected second one, so it came. Now first one I click. Now click on the left mouse button, otherwise enter key from the keyboard. Which one you will press, it will come one by one. And just follow it. Okay, this one by one came. Okay, now you see properly this everything. With 2 slides I make, that 2 slide animation came. At first one you have to click from, which one you have to see, from there you will click on. Okay, press F5, then these things, and middle of the, then suppose this thing is not, don't want of this, press the escape key, again the same place it will go. From the keyboard, escape key will press. If you want to edit something from this slide, so you press, as soon as you press the escape key, and edit everything wherever you want to do. Okay, this is for that custom animations. Okay, these custom animations we can do everything. Now once again, now this time slide, then what next one, slide transition. Okay, means it will page, it will come. See, look at this one. Okay, slide transitions means the full page, the background, including background it page, one by one. First one came, second, I'm showing to you. Okay, then afterwards we'll see that slide transitions, and then we have to select which one we want. Then you have to do apply to all. Remember, apply to all. If you do, then everything will happen. I selected from first one. See this one, another style. This is for animations part. Okay.